Alright, today we're looking at how to create this flyer design with just our smartphone. So let's go right into our Pixellab application where we will create this application, where we will create this design. So I'll head on to my Pixellab application. So this is my Pixellab. The size of my design is 1208, the width is 1208, and the height is 1208. I'll click OK. The next thing for me to do is to change my background color. To change my background color, I'll click here, click on color, I'll click change. So this is my background color. Then the next thing for me to do, I'll bring in my ruler. To bring in your ruler, this is the ruler. Just click on it. Then you click on this icon here. Here you can now arrange your ruler, set it the way you want it to be. Then you can now remove the other ones. You can now remove it because we won't be needing any of them. It's only this one that we'll be needing. So we're now bringing our text. I'll click on this A icon, click on add text, and I'll click on edit. Then my first text says learn graphics designing. Click OK. So this is it. Then I'll change my fonts. To change fonts, show right, you see fonts, click on it, and I'll go to my recent font because I just used the font recently. I'll click on this is font I want to use, made Tommy black, personal use. I'll click on it. Then I have my text. So let me increase the size. I increase the size like this, and I'll place it here. I want to make sure it's aligned. I want to make sure it's in a straight line. Okay. Then after that, I'll scroll right and get to my line spacing. I'll click on this. I'll reduce the size between my learn graphics and designing. Okay. Then after that, I can now shift it again and use my position to position it very well. Okay. Then the next thing for me to do is to bring in a shape. To do that, click on this icon here, then I'll click on shapes. So I'll just reduce the size like this. Okay, this is what I want. Let me, alright, then I'll increase it like this also. Alright, then I'll click OK. Then let me change the color. Just straight right, I'll click on my color, enable my color. This is color I want to use. This is the color I want to use. This is the color I have in mind. Okay. And the next thing for me to do is to bring in another text again. I'll click on the A icon and I'll click on text and I'll click on edit text. So here I'll write the total value of all materials, open brackets, books, comma, videos, comma, audio, comma, graphical materials. Then I'll close brackets. From this training is valued at 200,000 naira. 200,000 naira. Full stop. So this is what I want. And see the fonts are not that bold. So I'll just go to my fonts again. Click on fonts. Remember I'm using Made Tommy, so now I'll use Made Tommy medium personal use. So click on it. Then this is what I want. Then I'll now reduce the size like this, so it will be like this. Okay. I'll now make sure it's aligned. Then the next thing for me to do is to bring in my access fee and my early bird. So I'll copy this font again, so with the text, and I'll click on edit. So here what I want is access fee. Then I'll bring it down like this. okay. Access fee. If I want my access fee to have something like the background color, only the access fee, what I'll do is just throw right, then I'll see background, I'll enable it, I'll change the background color to, let's see, change the background color to this. Then still have my background color option. I'll increase the left padding, increase the right padding, increase the top padding, then increase the bottom padding. So I just want the text to have space. So this is what we have. Then I will just I'll make sure it's aligned. Then I'll copy my text again, copy, edit. So here what I want to write here is early bird. Then I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down like this. Early bird. Okay. Then I'll copy my early birds again. Copy and I'll edit. So what I write here is 25,000 naira. Okay. Then I'll bring it down here. I want it to be here. Perfect. This is perfect. Okay. Then this is my access fee. I'll copy it because I want the price of my early birds to have a background color also. Then early birds is 2,999 naira. I'll click OK. And I'll make sure I position them well. Okay. Alright. I don't want the background color of my price to be yellow. Let me just put it white. Since I'm no longer seeing the price of my early birds, I'll just put my color, change the color to black. So this is what we have. So I'll copy my text again. I want to write pay into, I'll add my account details, then I'll give a space and make use of this icon here. Give a space again. Then okay, here I'll write my name. Okay, and let me continue my text and send a screenshot to 07040694126 on WhatsApp. Full stop. So this is my text. I'll just bring it down here. This is what I want, but it's too big. Let me just reduce the size. Okay, this is perfect. Alright. So the next thing for me to do is to bring in, okay, for inquiries, I'll copy edit for inquiries. For inquiries, then I write my phone number again, 07040694126. 40694126. Okay, I'll bring it to the center. I'll bring it down. I want it to be here. Alright, the next thing for me to do is to bring in my social media icon. So to do that, click on this icon here, click on import. I'll go to my phone storage to get my social media icon. Okay, this is what I want. I want my WhatsApp icon. I'll reduce the size to 7%. After that, I'll position it again. Position very well. Okay, so make sure, just take your time, position very well. Then I'll make sure this is in the center. Alright, so that's it for me to do. I'll just look at my shape, and the shape I want is a circle. Then I'll change the color to orange. Just want to use it to add a design. Then my second color, just copy it. Make sure your shape is in the center. Copy it. Then make sure this one is in the center also. Then go to your relative size. Reduce the size by 10%. Okay. Then I'll bring it to the center. Alright. So I'll create another shape. Create another shape. Okay, this one, let me change the color to blue. Okay, this is what I want now. Alright, so that's time for me to do. I'll just combine the two colors, the two shapes. I'll merge the two of them together. Then what I'll just bring it here. Alright, as you can see, this is what I have. Alright, so the next thing for me to do, I want to bring in my smartphone mockup. There is an app I use to mock up my design professionally. Alright, to do that, we have to take a screenshot of our design. But before that, let's save this design with project. Okay, let's save this design. I'll click here to save as project. Project 11. Yes, so with that project 11, then I'll just bring in a design. So this design, when we now have to screenshot, so I'll screenshot it and go to my app and mock it up. So when you screenshot, there is an application called HiShoot. There's an application called HiShoot. This is the application I use to mock up my design with smartphone professionally. Just open the application. Alright, this is the smartphone that I want to use. I have a video on this, so I will just go straight and mock up my image. But if you want a video on this, I'll drop the link of the video. So I'll click here, then choose my screen. I'll now upload the screenshot that I did. So wait for it to load. Let me just go to my phone. Okay, so this is my screenshot. I'll click on it, it automatically mock up. As you can see, all I have to do, click on save. I have saved it. Then the next process is to remove the background. I'll go to my background eraser. I'll remove the background, load a photo. Then I'll choose my image. Okay, this is the image, and I'll crop as much as possible. And after cropping, I'll click on done. Then here I'll click on auto color, and I'll remove the color of the background. So this is what I have now. This is what I have now. So after that, I'll click on done. Now click on save to save automatically. Finish. So we'll go back to our Pixellab application. So here in my Pixellab, go back to our project. So this is the project where we are. So I'll click on here, click on import to import my image. So this is what I have. Alright, I'll just place it here, increase the size like this, and let me reduce the size a little bit, and I'll place it like this. Okay, the size of this is even big. Let me just reduce the size of this text. Let me reduce the size. Okay, this is okay. And here I will increase the size of this a little bit. Okay, something like this now. And after that, I'll change the color of my Learn graphics. Go to my color, then I just want graphic designing to have the same color. Alright, this is it. This is what we have. Learn graphic design, and everything is okay. So after that, all we have to do is click here to save changes, then click here again to save as image. When you are saving, you save as ultra, then you click on save, and it should save directly to your phone storage. So this is how you can create flyer designs with just a smartphone. You don't need a laptop or a desktop to create designs with your smartphone. All you need is just your phone, your smartphone, and you're able to create the design. So this is the design now. This is what we created. You can see. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video tutorial.